As I roved out on my weary way, watching soft white clouds go by, I saw a winged white maiden move slowly through the sky. Silver tears rolled from her eyes as if she were in pain, and sure enough, to my surprise, I felt the falling rain. I saw her cheeks fill up with air, then she blew for quite some time, and I on the ground was blown around in a gale of about force 9. I saw her turn her head to me as she gazed down from the skies, and before I could count from 1 to 3, the sun burst from her eyes. I watched her as she moved away in a gown like a dead man's shroud, and I begged to her that she might stay, but she vanished in the clouds.